You better go try this.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another video for a 3-month series called
What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight Vegan.
What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight Fast Vegan Style.
That's what I said.
It's not what you said. If you haven't watched the other videos, I'll link them in the description box below.
Boom. There it is. There it is.
I don't know if that works. So basically, we are doing a vegan weight loss meal plan for you guys for the next 3 months. Again, all of our weight loss stats will be given to you at the end of these 3 months. We've already started to see some weight loss, but we will wait till the end.
I'm gonna keep it a secret, but like shirts are fitting that didn't fit before. Oh, that's all I'm gonna say. What? No, this guy always be cutting his grass when I'm trying to film my movie.
Oh, it stopped.
Alright, done.
Let's get to our first recipe. It's just a smoothie. It's a mango smoothie. So we'll see you in 2 seconds.
So excited. Alright, bye. We should do sound effects.
Are you good?
I'm good. Let's go.
Okay. All right, we are back with
mango smoothie.
Our mango smoothie.
Oh, I am excited. Okay. Oh, that is so good.
This is a wonderful summer shake.
Oh, it's a little bit tart. Like it's a little bit like sour, which is nice. And it's fresh. Wow.
Anyways, so this is it. It's really, really good.
Really good.
It's just mangoes, orange juice, almond milk, and banana.
Yo, on a summer day, just sitting outside like we are right now, just relaxing. This is perfect.
Delicious.
That's really good. All right, that's the first meal of the day. That's that.
You have like an eyebrow, right? Or not an eyebrow.
I have
an eyelash that was in the middle of your forehead.
Why don't you go ahead and tell the world about my unibrow?
Oh, there's a little one.
Why don't you tell the whole world about my unibrow?
He's got a little one.
And there it is. You can see it. You married me like this. This is what you get.
We'll be back for some lunch, which is a beautiful Caesar salad.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Pew! Get out of here.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
Look at that.
It's got some.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, it's got some coconut bacon, some homemade parm with using hemp hearts and cashews.
Oh, did you smell it?
It smells really good.
Wow, that smells so good.
All of the recipes will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out before you make any of these.
This smells so good. All right, let's do this.
I'm struggling.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow.
Guys, this is amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That dressing is unreal. It's unreal. And the coconut bacon works so well. Love food. The dressing is so flavorful. It's got a kick, not a kick. Kick's used for spicy. It's got like a punch of flavor, but it's very light and very fresh tasting. And then you got the coconut bacon that gives that like tanginess to it. I'm really impressed. Really impressed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You did a great job. This is nuts. That's a good lunch.
Alright, so.
Alright, that was delicious.
That was great.
That was really good. Thank you. But like.
So we are gonna go.
I don't know if you can like see this. But like it's, look at this carrot bacon. Not carrot bacon. Coconut bacon. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta stop eating it. I gotta sign off. Okay, like but like the flavoring, whatever, the seasoning, whatever you want to call it, actually makes it taste like bacon. Like the coating tastes like bacon. Yeah. So it tastes like coconut bacon, but like the outside tastes like bacon.
But anyways, let us see you again for dinner time.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Burp.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
What? Did a Vietnamese family come over and cook us dinner or something?
That is what we are having for dinner. It's just some simple fresh rolls that you can quickly whip up and just sit in your backyard and enjoy them outside.
In a variety of sizes, because I made them. Inconsistency. Listen, this is the first time I've ever rolled spring rolls, and it's not as easy as you think. Look at this short, stumpy one over here.
Yeah, so this is the one that I let him do himself, and it came out like this. It's that simple that I trusted him to do it. Anyways.
That's mean. Alright.
Nice little peanut sauce to go with it.
Oh man. Oh yeah, I think I got too much peanut sauce.
Like a tablespoon of peanut sauce. You're supposed to dab it. Not dunk it.
Let's try this. Look at the floppy. Alright, let's try this. Cheers. Oh man, no, that's so good. Wow, that's amazing. Okay.
We got
wow.
some rice noodles, some lettuce, some coleslaw cabbage, some tofu. So easy to make.
It was actually really easy to make.
Like he made it.
I made it. And so if you like spring rolls, like fresh rolls are really good too. I was gonna say they taste more fresh, but that's obvious. Like they're just like a very nice light snack. I love it.
Yes, sir.
This peanut sauce though is so good. You did a really good job with the peanut sauce.
Thank you.
You need to try this right now.
Yeah.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you what. You better go try this. Holy moly mamoli baboli.
Anyways, we will see you back here when when he's done. I'll see you in a minute.
Oakley dokley. We're back. Today was a good day. This week's gonna be a good week.
This is gonna be a good week. Can you stop burping?
We just had dinner. It's coming up.
Like, are you good?
Good now. You have food in your teeth. Thank you.
Did you just take it out of my teeth and put it in your mouth?
Yeah?
That's disgusting.
Why is that disgusting?
You took food out of my teeth and then you put that finger in your mouth.
Oh, I'm still waiting for the disgusting part.
Anyways.
No, I didn't. It's right there.
Oh, okay. I was like genuinely disturbed.
I know, I can see it in your face.
Alright, so we will see you next week with another video. And are you good?
No, my back hurts. Okay.
We will see you next week
for another
video. We hope that
when is she gonna learn that, like, this is my channel? Can you hum the Mario theme song? Don't forget to comment,
like,
and if you like, please subscribe.
yes.
Please consider subscribing
Please consider subscribing to this
for more delicious
channel
recipes.
and enduring us.
I burped again.
We'll see you next week.
Alright, bye. Can I tell you a joke?
Yeah.
No, I need a joke.
You don't have a joke?
No. What, am I gonna think of a joke and then ask you if I can
But
tell you
you
a
said,
joke?
wait, can I tell you a joke?
Yeah, so I know if you would be open to a joke, and now that you're open to a joke, I'm gonna come up with a joke.
Okay, come up with a joke.
Why would I come up with a joke and then be like, hey, are you open to a joke? And you're like, no. I'm like, okay, then why did I waste time coming up with a joke?
Okay, so come up with a joke.
Alright. What did the... What did the shy pebble say? What did the shy pebble say? I wish I was a little bolder. That's a good joke.
That was horrible.
Stay tuned next week for more jokes. I want to have more spring rolls.
No.
No, this will be the channel for me.
No.
Everyone here is subscribed for League.
No, they're not.
Okay, on the top you got TF, all right. Then below that you got Diana, you got Cassiopeia, and the rest.
And then you'll have no wife left.
More time for League.